Kenyan authorities will start negotiations for a new program with the International Monetary Fund in September, and that is following the conclusion of its four-year $3.6 billion loan in March. At the time, authorities in East Africa's largest economy abandoned the final review of that loan program, and that led to the forfeiting of the disbursement of $850 million since it did not meet program targets, that is according to S&P. While Kenya's central bank has also trimmed its growth estimate for 2025, as we mentioned, by about 20 basis points. As the bank's governor explained, the reduction is partly attributable to much slower growth in Kenya's key trading partners and also a turbulent global macroeconomic environment.
And now, taking into account what has happened in the United States and the potential slowdown in growth in the United States, the slowdown in the EU, the slowdown also in the UK, we thought that that would have a negative impact on our economy, partly because from those sources we get most of our remittances from the US. At least 55% come from the US, and therefore any slowdown in the US economy could likely have a negative impact on the remittances. And of course, our exports, horticultural exports to the EU could also be impacted by the slowdown in growth of the EU. And finally, of course, also the UK, the slowdown also could have an impact on us through remittances, through tourism, etc. And that's why we felt it necessary to revise our growth projection downward in the event that these higher tariffs are sustained.